Good morning, Mr. Lee.
Good morning, Tom. Are you ready for your orientation?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm excited to learn more about the factory. Where do we start?
We'll begin with a tour of the departments. You'll need to know where everything is. Let's start with the production department. Follow me.
Sure. What happens in the production department?
That's where the actual manufacturing takes place. Operators run machines, assemble components, and check products.
Got it. Are there different production lines?
Yes. This factory has 3 production lines, Line A, Line B, and Line C. Each one focuses on a different product.
Where's Line A?
Line A is straight ahead, next to the quality control, QC, area.
Who works in the quality control area?
Quality inspectors. They check the finished products for defects.
And what about the assembly area?
It's right next to production. Workers assemble the parts before moving them to testing.
Oh, that makes sense. Where's the testing area?
Just past assembly. That's where technicians test electrical functions and performance.
Do we have a warehouse?
Yes, of course. The warehouse is behind the factory building. It stores raw materials and finished products.
Who's responsible for the warehouse?
That would be the logistics department. They manage incoming and outgoing goods.
Can I meet someone from logistics?
Yes. The logistics manager, Ms. Sato, is usually in the shipping area. Let's walk there.
Sure. By the way, where's the engineering department?
On the 2nd floor. Engineers handle machine design, equipment maintenance, and process improvements.
Do they work closely with production?
Yes, very closely. If a machine breaks down, they fix it.
And where do I find the maintenance team?
They share an office near engineering. They do daily checks on machines and handle repairs.
This factory is bigger than I thought. Is there an HR department?
Yes. Human Resources is in the admin block, across from the training room.
Do I need to go there?
Eventually. They'll help with your ID badge and uniform. Right now, you'll report to your line leader.
Where's the line leader's office?
Right next to line B. Your line leader is Mr. Chen.
Okay, and what does the planning department do?
They schedule production, control inventory, and track delivery timelines. Their office is next to logistics.
I see. What about purchasing?
They buy raw materials and components. Their department is on the 1st floor, beside finance.
And is there a cafeteria or break room?
Yes, the cafeteria is near the front entrance. Break rooms are located on every floor.
Thanks. What's that area behind the testing room?
That's the packaging area. After testing, products are labeled and packed for shipping.
Understood. Do we have a tool room?
Yes. All spare tools and equipment are kept there. You can access it with permission.
Who do I ask for permission?
The line leader or a supervisor.
Thanks. What's that glass office above the floor?
That's the control room. Supervisors monitor operations from there.
Oh, like a command center?
Exactly. They monitor production speed, output, and safety.
Speaking of safety, where's the safety office?
Behind the production department. They handle incident reports and inspections.
What if I need first aid?
Go to the medical room. It's next to the safety office.
Thank you, Mr. Lee. That was a lot of information, but really helpful.
No problem. You'll get used to it. We'll walk the route again tomorrow so you can remember the layout.
I'd appreciate that. One last question. Where do I clock in?
At the entrance, using the fingerprint scanner near the security desk.
Got it. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Let's go meet Mr. Chen now.